In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Red Lollipop in Grow a Garden Roblox. So, this is actually a part of the Easter update and you can get it in the Easter shop. But to be able to actually unlock the Easter shop, you will need 30 kilograms of these golden crops over here and you'll have to sell them to the red lady over here in the middle. So, 30 kilograms is what you need. Now, to be able to get this faster, let me give you some tricks. What I did is I just placed down a bunch of different crops. As you can see, they're just the basic ones, so just the strawberries, blueberries, tomatoes, stuff like that. And as you can see, I'm getting quite a bit of these golden crops over here. So they're just spawning, basically. You can just harvest them and then sell them to the lady. Now, if you're having trouble with that, what you can also do is head over to here to this green stand, as you can see, down at the far right. So let me just walk up here, because we don't have a teleport button yet, unfortunately. So after you come to the gear shop over here, what you can also do to boost your golden crop production chances is talk to this woman, and then you can get either the advanced, the godly, or the master sprinkler. And what these do is they increase growth speed, mutation chances, and some of them even fruit size. What this means, golden crops are actually a mutation, so if you have increased mutation chances, you will get more crops and those that are golden. So if you also have the fruit size, they will get more golden crops and then those will be bigger, so you can basically sell just a little amount of them and you'll be able to get to 30 kilos and then talk to Poppy over here in the middle and get to the Easter shop. So after you get 30 kilos of these, you can just sell them to Poppy, and then she will give you the option to open up this shop over here, which is the Easter shop. Now, to get the Red Lollipop, as you can see, it's sometimes available in here, so you can just buy it easily. Just click on it and then buy it for 45,000. And after you do that, just get back to your garden, and inside the garden over here, you can place it down, and then it will grow, and of course, you'll be able to then harvest it and sell it or do whatever you want to with it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.